So not only is it pouring down the rain now, it's now rush hour. So whenever you're doing any kind of digging in the dirt around here, being the city, people want to know what the hell you're doing. But let's see. Right up here. All right, see if we can find some in the big ass puddle. On that log?
If raining this hard, they might have went back in.
Maybe. You want to move it? No. What'd you say? What did you say? I guess we're just looking. He doesn't want to dig. What are we looking for? Snail.
They probably will underneath the
What is that back there?
Huh?
What is that back there? Shell. Come here. See it back there?
Oh, that is one.
Two of them.
Really?
There's two of them there. Is that it?
I'm sorry for watching this one.
So what? I would take the whole matter. Awesome. Nice. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
The ones I saw, don't put it in my, don't stab me with it. The ones I saw had blue around here like that.
So there's more.
Yeah.
Awesome. Put that in there. Let's look for more. We got lucky with that. Put that
These
in
are the ones I saw earlier.
Those?
Yeah.
No other ones?
Nope.
Well, they were on the back with the leaves covering them.
Yeah.
I guess because of the rain.
Yep.
You don't see any more here? Love.
Once you do right by cars, like, what the fuck are they doing?
Right. It's always that way at the city. People see things, probably think we're looking for crack. Some leaves in there. Make them feel comfortable. Why don't you just roll it a little bit? The log. Looks like, I can't tell if that's one right there or not. No, it's a leaf. It's a leaf. Guess we got lucky seeing that. I don't see any. Probably buried down in the leaves somewhere. Maybe when it's not raining as hard, we could come back. Oh, shit. There we go. Yeah. Huh. Well, probably because it's raining. That's hard. Hear me? Nice. We got two. That's nice. I'm so happy about the two we got. Nice. Watch that glass. Ooh, that glass right there. Well, I mean, I think we'll wait until it stops raining as much. Did you find another one? Down in there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. I don't see any over here. Not that I can see very well. It's all wet leaves. I didn't know they didn't like the rain like that.
I know.
No. Is this the spot you saw earlier? Yeah?
Huh?
Is this the spot you saw them earlier?
Yep. We're doing that hole.
Cover you up a little. They might have went inside the log. Look, it's totally hollowed out. Worm? I didn't see you pull it out.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Well, we have 3. Huh?
Like I said, I wondered if you